everybody, Las Vegas Bus Sales.
Take a walk around, check it out. Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you a beautiful 2016 Bluebird Vision. Love these buses. Under the hood there, you got that 6.7 Cummins ISB, very popular, but check this out. Only 26,000 miles on that engine. Very clean bus. In the back there, you have seating for 36 passengers with some overhead parcel. By the way, those are individual 36 passengers. Very popular. Let's take a walk around, check it out. Tires on this, Dan was telling me, are great. Pop the hood. Bus does have air brakes. Set that back down, let you get a view. Of course, coming around the side here, you got your battery compartment and fuses, skirt mounted AC condensers. You got a nice AC in here with those tinted windows. Coming to the back of the bus, we got a straight bumper. This bus is loaded with a lot of safety features, including this rear exit door. And you got two roof hatches. Front and rear steel bumpers. Good looking bus. Coming around the side here, you do have your diesel fill in the rear here because you got a front engine, but we also have DEP up front. We'll show you that. Tires are excellent. Yokohamas. Underneath, undercarriage, nice and clean. There's your DEP fill. Of course, you got air actuated bifold doors on the side. Check it out. The driver's area, I would say for one of these Visions, is in excellent shape. Some of the buttons are a little weathered, but everything's all in place, not all beat up. Some drivers can be a little rough on buses. 36 passengers on these individual high back seats, gray vinyl, overhead parcel storage. We got front and rear AC blowing on the passengers. Plenty of room in here for adults. Oh, Dan, yeah, I didn't ask you how are the seats. There's some wear on these first couple of aisle ones.
9.5.
9.5 on the seats.
No rips, just a little wear.
Yeah. Overhead parcel storage. What's that? 6'4" on the ceiling.
Yep, 6'5" maybe.
6'5". A lot of room for adults. Plenty of room. Just a good looking bus, bright white. That hood looks fabulous. Price and availability, where do you find it? LasVegasBusSales.com, or give us a call at 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.